In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro Wireframes. This powerful tool can help you visualize ideas, design user interfaces, and collaborate with team members all in one place. Let's dive into it together. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and type in Miro.com. If you're not yet familiar, Miro is an intuitive online collaborative whiteboard. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button at the top. Click on it and you'll be prompted to sign in with your email or Google account. Choose the option that works best for you. Let's choose to continue with email for this demonstration, which is straightforward and hassle-free. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you can see any existing projects or create new ones. It's a good practice to have your ideas organized, so let's click on one of the boards to get started. Now you'll notice an inviting interface with options lining the side of your screen. To begin incorporating wireframes, find the plus button on the left-hand side of the screen. This button allows you to add new elements to your board. Click it, and you'll unlock a menu with different options. We're interested in wireframes, so type that into the search bar. Once the wireframe components are visible, feel free to explore the different options. This step will come in handy to decide what fits naturally into your project. Select a wireframe component and drag it onto your board. This action marks the beginning of your design journey. With your wireframe in place, you can now customize it to match your vision. Think of it as building blocks for your design. You have the freedom to add various components like buttons, text boxes, and other interface elements. Let's start by adding a search button. Just like before, click on the plus icon and search for a search button component. Drag it onto your wireframe and position it to fit the overall design. Moving on, experiment by selecting different components according to your project's needs. Consider what elements align best with your design and audience interaction. The important thing to remember is that wireframes are templates. They help structure your ideas before moving on to advanced stages. Add as many components as you need. There's no limit to the creativity and efficiency you can achieve with wireframes. This stage is all about refining and iterating until you have a solid prototype. And there you have it. By using Miro wireframes, you create a robust visual representation of your ideas, making it easier to communicate with your team and stakeholders. Experimentation is key, so don't hesitate to try different layouts and designs. Hopefully this guide has given you a clearer understanding of how Miro wireframes can be a valuable addition to your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!